Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. In today's video I'm going to unbox my planner for 2023. It's from Erin Condren, and let me show you the box. The box is really humongous. I just ordered a planner and accessory box. That's it. So I'm not sure why it's big, but anyway, I'm excited. I just opened the tape. I didn't sneak peek anything inside, so let's get started. I'm excited. As I expected, the box is too big for what's inside. Okay, that's my planner. Okay, and that's the box. Okay. So, the thing is that I ordered the planner before the Black Friday. I totally forgot about it. So I paid, unfortunately, the full price for the planner, but the mystery box was on sale. Okay, first let's see the planner. It has my name, Aya El Shishtawi. It has a ruler. Ooh, it comes with, let's see what's inside. It comes with a welcome to the EC family. Enjoy 20% of your next purchase. So if you can see the code, or maybe I can put you the link down there. Also, I think these like cards, follow your passion. The quality of the cards are amazing, really. You can write notes or something. Stickers. Yeah, these are stickers to and from. Again, there's a 20% off your next purchase. I'm gonna leave, there's no code, it's a big code. Leave this information in the description box below. Okay, so we have laminated cover, so you can write stuff and erase it. Let me zoom in a little bit. We have here the life planner. Yeah, I choose the vertical layout. The every best plans. Love all these colors. It starts from July. Excuse me. October, 20, November, December, January. Okay, I was scared because I saw July 2022. I said, what? I ordered in November. But I'm not sure why they include July 2022. Anyway, a goal is a dream. I think you have to write your dreams with a deadline. Then start with January. I'm sorry, it's a cloudy outside and raining, so there's no much light I have here. Yeah, so then again we have month in the layout. Then you can fill these and write whatever goals or anything you want to start, and start from. Okay, so we have December here in green. So January 1st will be on Sunday. Yeah, then Monday. Yeah, so it's beautiful, good quality. And after the month we have like, yeah, just like a blank paper, and you just write whatever you want. Okay, does it comes with the stickers or something? Usually it comes with the stickers, yeah, as I remember, it comes with the stickers in the back. Okay, we have one. Oh, and it's foiled. Very nice. And this is like a folder. What? They include this? Plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. This for birthday maybe? Yeah, that's very cool. Okay, and that's it. I love the planner. I can't wait to start using it. Okay, I'm excited for this because it's like a mystery box. So let's see what's inside. Wow. If I remember correctly, this box is $20. And I think it was half off or something. Okay, make the day count. Oh, box content. Okay, I will not read. Inspired by life in France. Enjoy 20% off. Okay, there is a code. I'm gonna put it in the description box. Ooh. Sorry. And let me show you the box from here. Make the days count. Okay. Let's see what's inside. A plate? What? Let me open. Yes, it is. Erin Condren made in China for decorative use only. Only for decorative only. That's cool. Okay. What? Year discovery, year over year journal. That's a full-size journal. Wow. Okay, so it's journaling. So you write the date or the day and what happened in that day or whatever you want to say. It's like doodling. Very nice. Okay, so we have here add more storage to your planner or notebook with this colorful sticky pockets. Cool. I think more stickers. Oh, this is a divider. Sorry, that's avoid danger. Yeah, it's like a divider, but I think that's smaller than my regular size planner. Maybe they have this size, but I think I can use it even to divide the months or something. It's very cool. Another big divider. Guys, go grab a box. It's definitely worth the money. It's $20. That's very cool. 2 dual tip list markers to unpack. And last thing is a gift wrap set. So it's like good. My son's birthday next week. But this is very fancy for him. He will turn 4, so very nice. And it comes with tag and ribbon or twine. Guys, go grab this box for $20. It's amazing. I think you should also I think you should order a planner so you can use one of these covers, I think you call them. Yeah, so there is big size and there is a small size. I mean, for 20 bucks, and the box is just amazing. Okay, dokie, so that's my planner for 2023. I'm excited. I pray for amazing, peaceful year for all the world. We need peace, we need love, we need respect. Yeah, I'll put them here. I will show it to my daughter. Maybe I can, encourage her to plan. She does journaling, which I really like. That before she sleeps, she has to write a full page of what happened during the day. So yeah, maybe I can get her something fancy like this. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I know. See you next time. Bye.